So today we're going to be looking at the Backbone PlayStation Edition. So if you're a mobile gamer or want to live stream your games on the go, you don't want to miss this video. I'm going to go ahead and break down what you get in the box, the good things about it, and the things that are not so great, so you can decide if it's right for you by the end of this video. Let's go ahead and dive in. So right out of the gate, I love that it matches the same color look as the PS5 and that the button layouts are the same as the PS5 controller. Now, I've been using it for over 4 months now, and it makes gaming on the mobile so much easier. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the PlayStation edition of the Backbone only works on an iPhone, not on an Android. Now, let's take a look at what you get inside the box, and then we'll dive into the details, the pros and the cons and things that I've experienced with it. Now, the first thing you get is the controller itself, and then you get an adapter that goes on the controller for you to use depending on your iPhone model. Now, it doesn't come with a charger, as it doesn't need any kind of power. Everything is done directly from your phone. Now, it does have a lightning port that allows you to charge your iPhone while you play on the go. And then on the other side, what you're gonna see here is you're gonna get a 3.5 millimeter jack for headphones, and you can use headphones with or without a microphone. Now, there are a few controls on the Backbone that are clutch. The first is going to be the orange button that launches the Backbone app itself, and I'll show you what the app looks like in just a few moments. Now, the app does have a yearly subscription of $39, but it does have its perks. You're able to stream, record, and edit all within the app. But you do not need the Backbone app or the subscription to remote play your PlayStation games from anywhere in the world. You can use the official PS Remote Play app and the Backbone as a controller. All you need to do is set your PS5 or your PS4 to rest mode and then have it plugged into a decent internet connection, and then you're able to go ahead and play your games from anywhere without needing to be near your console. But you do need a PlayStation console to be able to remote play games. You won't be able to play them directly inside of the Backbone app. And then if you do want the ability to be able to connect to a computer and use the Backbone controller for PC gaming, you are going to need to go ahead and get the Backbone subscription. Now, the next button that you see here is going to be a square icon, and that allows you to be able to go ahead and record and take screenshots, allowing you to be able to create some gaming content for social media. And then you're going to see here is going to be a 3 little dot control. This is used to be able to mute. So simply by double pressing it, it even works when you're gaming. So you're able to mute everything just with a click of a button. And then you're going to have your standard controls like your L1, L2, R1, L2, your D-pad, your thumbsticks, and then your triangle, circle, square, and X config that you would find directly on a PlayStation controller. Now, connecting it to your phone is pretty easy. However, here's the first drawback. You do need to go ahead and remove your phone case and your camera protector if you have one. Otherwise, you're going to have difficulty keeping it in place. Now, I use my iPhone 12 or my iPhone 13 Max and have no issues with it, but I do need to remove my case from them to be able to use it. So once you have your phone connected to your Backbone, it's going to automatically recognize it. And then it's ready to be able to use with your games on your phone. And then again, to get the most out of the Backbone, you are going to want to install the Backbone app, because this is going to give you access to games in one place. Some of the games in the app are free. Some of the games are from the store. Some are from Backbone itself. Others you can remotely play from your PlayStation, Xbox, or Steam. And then you can go ahead and play free or paid games that you went ahead and downloaded. Now, the controls do take some time to get used to, but they are very responsive. And although gaming on the phone is best when you're on the Wi-Fi, you can still use the Backbone with just your phone data, but expect some lag, right? So overall, the app itself gives you access to be able to have a friends list, to chat messages, to screenshots, recording, and the ability to stream directly to Twitch. So if you're ready to take your mobile games to the next level, get the Backbone. And if you want to learn how to stream to Twitch directly from your phone utilizing the Backbone, go ahead and watch this video right here where I show you how to do it and get it all set up. I'll see you guys in the next video.